Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1913, maximum product difference between two pairs. So it's a really simple problem to solve, and we're gonna look into the easiest possible solution, and the solution will be of two lines only. Okay, two lines of code I mean to say. So the problem statement says that the product difference between two pairs A, B, C, D is defined as A into B minus C into D. So basically what we have to do is we have to find out the maximum product difference between any two pairs possible from the given array. Okay, for example, in this array we have 5 6 2 7 4, right? And the answer is 34. But how? So to do that, what we have done is we have picked 6 7 as a pair and 2 4 as another pair. We did the multiplication between these two pairs and subtracted with each other. So what we're going to do is, like, it's a very simple approach. So okay, if you see, what we are doing in the solution is we are just simply sorting the given array. So the resultant will be 2 4 5 6 7, right? And our objective is to maximize, right? Maximize the difference. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll pick two largest elements so that we get the largest possible product of these two, right? And we'll pick two smallest elements so that we get the smallest possible product from the array, right? So once we have these two digits, what I'll do is simply just multiply largest digits with each other and smallest digits with each other, and we'll do a subtraction. That's it. This will be your solution. Okay, so moving towards the solution of it, it will be of two lines only. So what we'll do is we'll simply just sort the elements using sorted method, and at the time of return, what I'm doing is I'm picking the last element from the nums array and the second last element from the nums array, because it is already sorted. We'll get two largest elements. Now when it comes to the other part, what we want to subtract, we want to subtract the smallest element, which will be the first element of the array and the second element of the array. Let's just check out the test cases, if we'll be able to clear the test cases or not. So as you can see, the test cases got cleared. Let's submit it for further evaluation. And the solution got accepted now. So like we have performed decent. We have outperformed 70% of the solution. So yeah, thanks a lot guys for watching out the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.